Here's a parcel of Boulder Opal offcuts and splits from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. The white that you're seeing, like on the piece down there, is the light reflecting off the material. Anyway, I'll go in a bit closer so you get a better look. Okay, I've basically tried to put most of the material up with the faces up. Some pieces like this are seams that need to be opened. Some there that I've probably missed, like that bit. Anyway, I'll just go around and show you what's here. I'll show you some of the pieces separately in a minute. Okay, so these couple of pieces right up in the top left hand corner, basically a bit of matrix there. That's just thrown in. I don't think that'll polish. Some of the other pieces, quite nice, cut nice stones. There's a piece that just needs to be polished the way it is, the pattern. It's a nice piece we've cut, nice variation of colours there in the centre. Here's an interesting piece. It's almost bordering on matrix. The piece down at the real seam. Might just be best to shape that and cut it the way it, leave it the way it is. Basically a little triangle, but it's up to you. There's some nice faces amongst this. It goes back under there. So I need to grind it off a bit more. Some matrix. Follow that down to the seam, and that was a triangular sort of stone. Some of these smaller pieces aren't that good, but there's part of the deal. If you can cut something out of it, well and good. Like that's a little bit of matrix on the end there. Again, matrix. Perhaps with something like this, just cut it into a nice shape and have that as the top. There's a lot more pieces here that I don't think it warrants going through all of them. Of course, some of them are a surprise. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.